channel. It's the 10th of July here in the UK and it's a sunny day, going to be about 30 degrees today. So what better day to go for a classic car show today? So then we're going to be having a look at what's at the Weston Park Classic Car Show. Let's go see. Weston Park then is a country house and it's set in more than 1,000 acres of land and is around 10 miles northwest of Wolverhampton in the middle of the UK. It's a 17th century Grade 1 listed building and is regularly used for music events, classic car shows and other such festivals. This is one of the bigger events in the UK, expecting about 500 classics on display here. Unlike Le Mans in the last video, I think these will be largely British cars, so let's go have a look.
Good, it's fabulous, yeah. Now, what do your friends and family and working colleagues and things like that, do they think you've got a little bit well modified, that one. Well modified. 1979. Two plus two, which means it's a two-door and it's got full seats. Hundreds of you. Let's have you in the arena. Daniel XAS has come in there. Try, is this TR3, sir? 3R2. Good, let's have a they weren't exported. Shape or form, anything modified, could be an ordinary out kit car that you purchased from one of the manufacturers, or it could be a fact that you bought.
Look at those 1.266. Okay, take voice with you. Let's try it in.
Sometimes when I was on the car, well, the paint, that's so. Everyone that comes into the ring will get an exhibition black and body.
show. So I hope you've enjoyed this look around the Weston Park Classic Car Show. I'm going to continue to have a walk around in the sunshine and soak up some of these fantastic classics. So in the meantime, I'll leave you with it. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you on the next video.